my YouTube channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Tom Clancy's The Division Resurgence game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. Click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Ubisoft Connect, go to the library section. Here you have to select your game, click on three dot icon. After that, go click on manage. Now click on properties, go to the installation option and here simply click on locate installed game. Click on open folder. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and after that move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Windows update. Now click on check for updates and this will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify game files. So for that you have to go to the Ubisoft Connect and go to the library section. Click on three dot icon on the game. Click on manage and then here you can see verify files option. Simply click on it and after verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. So search for Windows security. Open it. Now click on firewall network protection. Allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. And now here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So search for the game first. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. And after that, click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them. And after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, here you have to go to the Ubisoft Connect, tap on profile, then click on settings option. So go to the Ubisoft Connect, click on profile. Now click on settings and after that here you have to click on interface and here you can see enable in-game overlay for supported games. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to add launch arguments. So Ubisoft Connect, go to the Ubisoft Connect, click on the library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage. Now click on properties and here you can see add launch arguments. Here you have to enter -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. The antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair, wait for some time, and after you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC, and after that log into the game and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In initial size type 12288, and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphics settings. So graphic settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. The game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall Tom Clancy's The Division Resurgence games. So if it still continues, then reinstall the game once. But before doing it, make sure to back up all the data and settings linked with this game. So for that, go to Ubisoft Connect, and after that here you have to select the game, click on the three dot icon, and after that go to the installation folder, and here you can see uninstall. Simply click on it and the game will be removed from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Ubisoft Connect, reinstall Tom Clancy's Division Resurgence game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Tom Clancy's The Division Resurgence game crashing and startups not opening, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC.